Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day. Today is the last trading day of the month and the last trading day of the first quarter. The market was challenging, but we managed good profit. Let me share with you guys how I help my traders through live intraday analysis to bank profit. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's move into the three major currency pair, EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. If you look at the EURUSD, if you look at the 4-hour chart, as mentioned in my yesterday analysis review, if you haven't seen, you can find the video. Link is in the video description. So we were expecting a short trade here. We had such a nice beautiful short trade here. We have taken all this pullback short trade here. All right, so let me share with you the entries and exit and through live intraday analysis. Okay, so this morning, as you can see here, this morning this morning we were explained to my trader, look here, this point, if the price gonna break, then long, otherwise short trade here, because we're watching here in 4-hour. As you can see here, price broken and even price developed, and I say guys, look for another pullback. When the price was at this level, trader was asking, am I gonna break up? So I just basically updated that analysis instantly just to help boost my trader, that to make sure guys look for this breakout. So we have this breakout, pullback, beautiful short trade here, and afterwards at the New York session we have another beautiful, as you can see here, that was a beautiful pullback short trade here. As soon as the price hit to the previous low at this level, that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit and look for another one. Pattern, as you can see, sideways market, price developed and price broken the previous high. Beautiful counter long trade, as you can see here. As soon as the price developed double top here, explain to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. You can see guys, we had such a nice beautiful short trade. We also had a counter long trade here, bank amazing profit on EURUSD. All right, so pound dollar, if you look at the 4-hour chart, you can see here sort of like price wasn't, we had this short trade here, and afterwards you can see here price developed. We also had this long trade here and bank beautiful profit as soon as the price hit this level. Let me share with you the entries. And if you look at this morning, just before London Open, I did this analysis because the price developed a sideways market. Okay, so this was the analysis this morning. As you can see here, explain to my trader, if the price is gonna break above the previous high, then we should be taking a long, otherwise short trade here. You can see here price nicely developed a short opportunity. As soon as the price hit to the previous level, explain to my trader, you can bank some profit or move your stop loss at the break even. And at the New York session, as you can see here, the price developed a sideways market, and that was a pretty straightforward, very quick long trade here, both in EURUSD and pound dollar, bank amazing profit. All right, let's move into the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD was a pretty straightforward, as you can see here. In 4-hour, yesterday, as I mentioned, we have this false breakout, and afterwards we have a long trade here, even at the Asian session. As soon as the price hit to the previous high, bank some profit, and afterwards at the New York session we also had a short trade here. We were expecting here another pullback, expecting a long trade here. Let's see, tomorrow is the tomorrow we have non-farm news. Let's see if that's going to push the dollar. Otherwise, if the price gonna break, then short trade here. So mainly looking here, if you look at the price action, price broken, and after price retest, we'll see tomorrow. All right, let me share with you the entries today's. We had amazing trade, and as you've seen from yesterday analysis, we had this long trade here. So after this long trade, as mentioned, we have looking another pullback, beautiful pullback, long trade here. And in London morning session, I did another say, guys, just keep taking a pullback. We have beautiful another pullback here. And at the New York session, we have another very small pullback. As soon as the price failed to break this level, came back here, I said to my trader, it's time to look for another pattern. As you can see here, once the price developed a double top here, price failed to break this level, we have look for another breakout. We have beautiful another breakout trade here, and as soon as the price hit to the support level in 4-hour, that's what I explained to my traders, time to enjoy some profit. But guys, you've seen how we analyze market in 4-hour and how we refine entries and exit in intraday and bank pips every single day. I hope guys you enjoy all this analysis. As always mentioned, you should be watching those analysis in real time and banking profit in real time. And if you are struggling in forex trading, most welcome, join my platform and get trained with the live market. And once you develop your trading skill, I can also help you to get funded. If you are interested how I coach and train with the live market in real time, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. Availability calendar link is also given in the video description, or even if you're an experienced trader, you have seen this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy prepping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome, join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening, stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.